how to register with Beurax if your country is not listed on their website. So below this video, you'll see the video that shows you how to actually register. And below that, you'll find a big button. Now, when you click that big button, it will take you over to the Beurax site. Now, if you can't find your country listed here, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to register using what's called a VPN connection. Because in Beurax right now, you don't have to have any KYC. So coming back to this page, below this yellow button, you're going to find a button there. It says how to use a VPN to register. And you'll see that there's a video. Watch that video. It's going to show you how to install a Google Chrome extension that's called a VPN connection. Then you'll be able to change the country that your browser is in. So you can either choose the UK or somewhere in Europe, and then you'll be able to register on Beurax. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and you can now register with Beurax. Click on the yellow button to get started. I'll see you in another video. Bye now. How to gain access to a website that bans your country. Some websites that you come to, especially if you're in the USA, won't allow you to access the site. Why is that? Well, that's because sometimes there's lots of regulations in the USA, then they stop you using certain sites. But if you want to get in, I've got a little trick for you, and that is to use what's called a VPN connection. So if you want to access a website that's maybe banned in your country, then carry on watching this video. So if I go over to my Google here, and at the moment I've got my VPN connected, and I've got my VPN connected to say that I'm in the USA. And when I come to the website, all I see is a 404 not found. So how do I actually join the website if I'm in the USA? Well, what you need to do is to have a VPN connection. And the one that I'm going to show you here is this one. So you can use this. I'll leave the link below the video. You can use this on an Android. So that's obviously on a smartphone. You can use it on an Apple device. You can use it as in the Opera browser, in the Edge browser. You can use it in Firefox, and of course you can use it in Chrome. Now I'm actually using it in Chrome. It's absolutely free to use. You don't have to pay anything, okay? So all you need to do is to click on what operating system that you've got, okay? For me, it's going to take me over to, because I want to use it for Chrome, and it will look like this. I've already got it added to my Chrome, but you'll see it'll say add to Chrome extensions. You'll just add that to Chrome extensions, and then what you'll see is a little icon appear up the top here. Now if you don't see that icon, if you click on this, it's a jigsaw puzzle if you like, and if I take the pin out, okay, remove the pin, you'll see it's not up there. Okay, so I want to click on the jigsaw puzzle that's on the browser and look for that Chrome extension, which is this one here, Browse Sec VPN. Click on the pin and it will be up there, and then all I need to do is come here. You see I've got it set for United States, so what I want to do is choose another country. So I'm going to use the UK. So now it says that I'm in the UK, and you can choose Europe or anywhere but America. And now I'm going to refresh the screen. So there you'll see that the site loads, and now you can register or log into your account if you had a previous account. So that's how you use a VPN connection with your Chrome browser. So if you like this type of content, then give me the thumbs up. And if you want to join a passive income and you're in the USA, then below the video you're going to find a link. Click that link and it's going to take you over to this site. I've also left you the details and the links that you need for getting your free VPN connection. You have an amazing day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye now.
Welcome to Beurax. If you're watching this video, it means that you have already made the right decision to register on the site Beurax.com, and I will be happy to help you sort out this process. When you log into the Beurax website, you will see the Sign Up button in the upper right corner of the page. After clicking this button, a personal account registration form opens in front of you. Pay attention to the upper column Upliner. This column displays the username of your partner, whose link you are registering with. If this column is empty, it means that you are registering using the company's direct link. Next, you need to fill in the required fields: your name, desired nickname on the site, email address to which you will be sent a confirmation of registration, your country and current phone number. Create a strong password and re-enter this password to confirm. Next, click the Next button and go to the form for filling in your payment data. In this form, in the appropriate fields to fill in, you specify the account numbers of the payment systems to which your profit from Beurax will be paid. Go to the final stage of registration. You need to create and enter your personal financial password, which consists of 6 digits. Be careful when creating a financial password and save it in a safe place, because you will need it when creating a withdrawal request, as well as to change and save your personal and payment data in your Beurax account. Then you agree to the rules for creating and using a financial password and click the Sign Up button. After successful registration, a confirmation email will be sent to your email address and your financial password will be duplicated. Congratulations! You have successfully registered on the site Beurax.com. Now you have access to all the features and sections on the site, and you can start earning with thousands of Beurax customers around the world. Subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Beurax team.